Wagons. There's one that's got a seat up on it. Each one seems to get in a little bit worse shape though. Metal wheels. An old plow. Old wagon that's not in very good shape. Another plow. Another old wagon. It's the old metal wheels. More old plows, old pulleys hanging in the fence. An old shovel. An old hand crank grinder. An old vise. What they used to sharpen their axes and whatever else they needed to sharpen. Not quite sure what that is. Something that they would burn, put oil in it. More old metal wheels. Old wheelbarrow. Old wagons, I think that they used to have some kind of tires on them. It's just got metal rims and wooden spokes. Getting into a little more modern stuff now. Rake back there that was probably used in the 20th century. Rubber tired wagons. Oh. A haysicle. Couple scoops I used to drag behind horses or tractors years ago. That's what they kind of dug with. There's an old manure spreader. Another plow. There's a hook they used to use for logging or whatever else they would need to grab hooks into to help pick it up. More old wagons. More manure spreaders. Hay hook. Another set of hooks. Hung off another wagon. Looks like the whole wagon's there, just broken half. And that's a rake, hay rake. Used to just drag behind. Some kind of little gas-powered something. I don't know what it used to do. There's a table. Might have been for gold. Those balls look like the balls that they use for crushing rocks at the gold mines. Some pipe, and probably another grinder of some sort.